going down the stretch, with the loss of Omar Barnes going into the fourth. I tell the guys that when one player is down, the kid have to take up that slack, and that's what Aldrich Morris did. Hit that 3-point take. I think that was the difference maker. Put upper room, on the bucket. And that's why. So most of my team is just staying calm, looking forward to it.
To be honest, I'm obviously disappointed because we lost the game, but I'm not broken. It's a series. You understand? I've seen the greatest teams lose game 1 and come back. Last season, we lost game 1. We showed up in game 2. Unfortunately, lose game 3, but that's not the plan this year. Some unfortunate turnovers and situations at the end of the game. It happens. Basketball is a game of runs. Unfortunately, Urban Knights had the last run. So we're looking to fix that next game.